Dear students, today we are starting geometry chapter number 2, Pythagoras theorem, applications of Pythagoras theorem, that is Apollonius theorem, application of Apollonius theorem, exercise 2.2. Here question number 1 out of 2.2. Question number 1. In triangle PQR, point S is the midpoint of side QR. S is the midpoint of side QR. It means what? S divides QR into two equal halves. QS is equal to SR. Each one is half of the total QR. Here PS is the median. Now we start finding so solution. In triangle PQR, S is the midpoint. S is the midpoint of QR. Therefore, what happens? Therefore, QS is equal to SR equal to half of QR. Also, if S is a midpoint of this side, what is a segment joining vertex of a triangle to midpoint of the opposite side of that vertex? Median. So, PS is a median. A triangle is having three medians. From P to it is PS. So it is a median. One median. Therefore, what happens? By Apollonius theorem, what says? PQ square plus PR square is equal to twice PS square plus twice Q square. So here PQ square plus PR square equal to 2 times PS square plus 2 times this QS square. This is by Apollonius theorem already we said, so we need not give the reason further. Already given here, Apollonius theorem. Now given values we substitute. How much is PQ given? PQ given 11 square. Plus PR is 17 square. Equal to 2 into PS. PS is how much? 13 square. Plus 2 into QS. Actually what we want? QR. We want full. So QS is half of QR, the whole square. 11 square 121. 17 square 289 is equal to 2 into 13 square is 169. 2 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 into QR square. Now we add these two. Look here 89 plus 1 90 plus 20 110 plus this 100 210 plus this 200 410. How we are doing? 9 plus 1 10. Remember 1. 1 plus 8 9 plus 2 11. 1. Remember 1. That 1 plus 2 3 plus this one 4. Directly you subtract or whichever manner you like, that way. Now this we take to this side. Plus quantity comes minus. 2 9s are 18. Remember 1. 2 16s are 32 plus 1 33. Otherwise 2 9s are 18, remainder 1. 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, 3 remainder 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Here 2 cancels 2 times. QR square upon 2. Now we simplify here. Add 2 here. 40. Add 2 here. 112. 42. 100 next 110. 72. Otherwise you see here. 8 to 10 2. Remainder 1. 4. 4 to 11. 7. Remainder 1. 3 plus 1 4 to 4 0. Into this 2 equal to QR square. Now see 272s are 144 is equal to QR square. Therefore QR is what? Root of 144, which is plus or minus 12. But it is length, so we take only the positive value. Therefore QR is equal to 12 units. Here centimeter or meter like that not given. You can stop here or you can complete here. QR is 12 units. So here it is Apollonius theorem. Means PQ square plus PR square equal to twice PS square plus twice QR square, QS square. Then QS is half of QR. We substitute the values. Whichever values are given, that is substitute here. Put in the Apollonius theorem. Out of 4 quantities, 1, 2, 3 are given. 4th one easily we can find out by just simplification. That's question number 1. Now we do question number 3. Question number 2 and 4 you do homework. Easy it is. You can practice it. Now given how we did Apollonius theorem, exactly like that only here also we have to consider triangle PQR. PS is a median. PS is a median means S is the midpoint of QR. PT is drawn perpendicular. Otherwise given PT perpendicular to QR. So first we consider this small triangle PTS. From here Pythagoras theorem we use and we will get slowly all this. Here we are proving. So proof. First we consider the small triangle. Let us consider right triangle PTS. Right triangle PTS. The small triangle, this one. There what we are considering right triangle, So Pythagoras theorem. PS square is equal to PT square plus TS square. What is the reason? This is by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Wherever required, we use it. Now see the first one, PR square is squared. PR square is squared. So as PR is the hypotenuse, we have to take a right angled triangle, which is triangle PTR. Now from right triangle PTR, triangle PTR, right angle triangle, PR square equal to what? PT square plus TR square. PT square plus TR square. What is the reason? Pythagoras theorem, exactly the earliest statement only. Therefore, PR square is equal to PT square as it is. This TR we write now TS plus SR. TR is equal to TS plus SR. TS plus SR. But the whole square is there. What is the reason? We can say since 1 TSR. TSR means point S is in between TR. The second TR in between only is. Now we expand this by A plus B the whole square form. So we continue here now. Therefore, PR square is equal to PT square plus now A plus B whole square. Therefore, TS square plus 2 times TS into SR plus SR square. A plus B whole square expansion. A square plus 2AB plus B square in that form. Therefore, this PR square equal to, what is this? PT square plus TS square is equal to PT square plus TS square is equal to PS square. So this is equal to PS square. We want that. Plus 2 times. Now we want QR and ST. ST. We want QR, not SR. 2 into this TS is ST into SR. SR is what? Half of this QR. SR is half of QR. SR is half of QR. This SR is half of QR. The whole square. Now see, these two 2's get cancelled. This is PS square plus this ST into QR plus this QR upon 2 the whole square. This is PR square. So we conclude the first theorem here. First idea what they are telling us to prove us is here. So PR square is equal to PS square plus ST into QR plus QR upon 2 the whole square. This is our first what you have to prove. PR square is equal to PS square plus ST into QR plus QR upon 2 the whole square. This is one result. Now the second result what we want, see here, PQ square, that is this PQ square. So we have to consider this right angle as PQ as a hypotenuse, that is triangle PTQ. In right angle PTQ, we can say PT is perpendicular to QR. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? Square of the hypotenuse PQ square equal to the sum of squares of the other two perpendicular sides, like PT square plus QT square. Pythagoras theorem already we have written, so we will not write again the reason here, not necessary. Now this is Pt square plus, see, Qt we can write as Qs minus Ts. Only Qt we have, to the Qt we add Ts, so that Qt plus Ts is Qs. We add Ts means subtract also Ts. So this Qt is Qs minus Ts. See, Qt is Qs minus Ts, but the whole square is there. Now here we write A minus B whole square form. This as it is Pt square. This Qs square minus 2 into Qs into Ts or St plus Ts square. Look here, A minus B whole square is A square minus 2A into this B plus this B square. We group it first and last because we have that here. Pt square is Pt square plus Ts square is Ps square. Pt square plus this Ts square minus 2 into Qs. Qs is what? Half of Qr. So this is Qr upon 2 into this St plus this St square. That already written here. This Q square is remaining. See, first term, last term, and this term 2 Qr is Qs is Qr upon 2 into this St, and this is remaining Qs. Qs is what? Qr upon 2. Qs is half of Qr upon 2. The whole square. Now 2 and 2 cancel. Pt plus Pt square plus T square is what we have already. Pt square plus T square is Ps square. This is Ps square minus this Qr into this St plus this Qr upon 2, the whole square. What is this? This is Pq square. Therefore, we conclude now this is the second one. Therefore, Pq square is equal to Ps square minus Qr into St plus Qr upon 2, the whole square. This is the second result what we require. First one is written here, second is written here. You can stop here nicely. First result is over, second result also is over. So we can stop here. This is question number 3. Question number 1 we did. Question number 3 completed. Now we do question number 5. It is slightly longer procedure. Slightly longer. But we can do it. Proof. Now see here, given quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. PQRS the rectangle. So each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is a right angle. Point T is in the interior of rectangle. This point is inside the rectangle. We have to prove that Ts square plus Tq square. Left hand side is what? This Ts square we take like this 1. Sum of this Ts square plus Tq square is equal to, second one is what? Tp square plus Tr square. That we consider as 2. Just for our identity, our idea we are writing this. Now here hint is there. As these ones as hypotenuse to right angle triangles we have to consider. What you are saying? TS is a hypotenuse, like that this triangle. Here, this one, PQ is a hypotenuse. This is a second triangle. These two triangles we consider. Given construction wise, through segment AB, we know in 9th standard we studied a straight line is given, a point outside the line is given. Then we can draw a line parallel to the given line through this point. Line drawing axiom we can say, through this point outside this line SR, one and only one parallel line can be drawn to this SR. So that is what is this line AB we are drawing construction. Draw segment AB parallel to SR. But SR is parallel to PQ, opposite sides of the rectangle. Here, segment AB is parallel to SR. This is by construction. Therefore, AB is parallel to SR, but SR is parallel to PQ. These two sides are otherwise also parallel because opposite sides of a rectangle. That we are getting. Now here, we consider this perpendiculars. Segment PS parallel to this QR. These two are parallel, opposite sides, and these are here. These lines are perpendicular. You know what we are saying. Therefore, segment AB is perpendicular to this PS. Why it is so? We can argue since AB is parallel to SR, parallel to PQ, and what happens? Angle P equal to angle Q equal to angle R equal to angle S is equal to how much? 90 degree. These angles 90 degree and these are parallel. That means QP perpendicular to PS, RS is perpendicular to PS, therefore BA is perpendicular to PS. So here TA, this AB is perpendicular to PS. Therefore we can say what? Quadrilateral. Here it is. We take this one. Quadrilateral AB, RS. RS is a, what you can say, rectangle. Why it is rectangle? Because AB parallel to SR, therefore quadrilateral ABRS is a parallelogram, and angle S, angle R, angle S equal to angle R equal to angle B equal to angle A is also 90 degree. Therefore it is a, therefore quadrilateral ABRS is a parallelogram. Parallelograms, at least one angle is 90 degree, therefore it's a rectangle. Now we reach to A is perpendicular. This angle A is 90 degree. TA is perpendicular. Therefore, segment TA is perpendicular to side PS. Already we said here we can use this idea also, but we are making it more clear. Therefore, from right triangle TAS, from right triangle TAS, we use Pythagoras theorem. That is T square is equal to TA square is equal to TA square plus A square. What is the reason? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we are using. Now see, A is also this BR. Here TA square. We consider this is TA square is equal to TA square plus, instead of this AS we can put this BR. What is the reason? Since AS is equal to BR equal to opposite sides of a rectangle. Which is rectangle? ABRS. This we consider as equation 1, result 1, this one. Now we use here similarly from right triangle TBQ or TQB, what we can write? TQ square. TQ square is equal to TQ square is equal to TB square plus BQ square. This also Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, we have to add these two. This consider 2. Now, adding first and second, what do we get? T square plus TQ square. Left hand side, half of the work. Still, half of the work is remaining. So, we need the place here. So, we write here once more. This one. T square. Here, the first result is T square plus this. TQ square is equal to this one. T square plus BR square plus this TB square plus BQ square. We consider this is a very big equation. This is left hand side only we completed now. Now we have to go for right hand side. That we do here. Now this one, from right triangle TAP, TA square plus AP square is equal to TP square. TP square is equal to this TA square plus AP square. This also by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Here also some simplifications we can make. Here also quadrilateral ABQP. ABQP is a rectangle because AB is parallel to PQ. Since AB is parallel to PQ and AB is perpendicular to PS. AB perpendicular because PQ perpendicular, as angle P equal to angle A equal to 90 degree. This angle 90 degree, therefore this angle also 90 degree, in that way. Therefore, that is first one we take now here. From right triangle TBQ or TQB, what you are getting? TQ square is equal to TB square plus BQ square. That also Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Now we add these two. This we consider equation 3. This is equation number 4. Adding equations 3 and equation 4, what you get? TP square plus TQ square. TP square plus, here not this triangle, we have to consider TRB. This triangle we have to consider. These two triangles we have to consider. These two, first part left hand side. These two we have to consider right hand side. So the triangle is TRB. In triangle TBR, TB square plus this BR square. That is what you have to make a correction. It is not two triangles. Adding these two, so here it is TR. Adding these two, TP square plus TR square. TP square plus TR square is equal to, add these two, TA square plus AP square plus here TB square plus BR square. We added. Now see the first one, TA square plus BR square plus TB square plus this BQ we have. That BQ is nothing but AP. This we consider TA square plus that AP is BQ. This AP is equal to this BQ square. Rest of the things are exactly we have TB square plus BR square. Here we can consider, since AP equal to BQ equal to what? Opposite sides of a rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Therefore, this one you see, this we consider the big equation 2. Now see the first one here, TA square, right hand sides only we consider, TA square plus BQ square here plus BR square here and TB square here. That is, these right hand sides are equal. From first equation, second equation, RHSs are equal. Therefore, their left hand sides are also equal. This left hand side is what? TS square plus TQ square equal to this left hand side is TP square plus TR square. This only we have to prove. TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. What we did here in this problem, slightly difficult, longer procedure. 4 right angular triangles we have to consider. From here these two Pythagoras theorems, left hand sides we will get. From these two we get Pythagoras theorems using right hand sides of the required part. But here AB is perpendicular to this PS, this angle 90 degree, and AB is parallel to this SR parallel to PQ, meaning these three sides are parallel and these two are perpendicular, say 90 degree and parallel to this also. So that also perpendicular to PS. That means this angle is 90 degree. Then what we argue? Opposite sides are parallel. By construction we are taken, you know. Therefore, quadrilateral ABRS is a parallelogram. Then 90 degree angle we say. So it is a rectangle. Then we say opposite sides are equal. Similarly here also ABQP is a rectangle. There also opposite sides are congruent. Then we equate. Then we are getting sum of these two. By Pythagoras theorem, sum of the squares of these two sides equal to here also equate, and this is the required proof. Please practice it. You find difficulty means you can tell me, we will work out the next day. Today we will stop.